Okay, as you can hear, we got it running, but that fuel pump is not putting out enough pressure. But it's running, and supposedly the warmer it gets, the better off it'll be. The fact that it's missing its air cleaner doesn't help. Well, yeah, the cover's bent, the box is bent. You can see the bottom, how it got whacked.
So how are we going to straighten that out so it fits it right?
Well, we will when we get it. See how it's bent down here?
See, yeah.
And it's cracked along the back here. So, but because it doesn't have an air cleaner, it needs an air cleaner to get its back pressure. Also, there's an air sensor in here. We're actually idling.
Sound okay?
Yeah, it sounds good. She's only got 20 PSI.
It's actually running.
It's actually running, yeah. Decent. But again, there's hope for it.
Well, it's got filters coming. It's got a little pump coming. That should improve everything. And it's running right come to life. It's spinning. Nothing? No.
Huh? Nothing?
Do you have a switch on that shouldn't be on? Did you have one of these on?
Those have anything to do with anything.
off.
Yeah, we know. And the pump's back on. There we go. Well, that's great. No. It's nice, it's running.
Yeah, but it won't do me no good if it don't run.
I'm not sure. That's all I'm worried about is running. What the hell I do? That's the fan. I don't have it hooked up right now.
Somehow, you put it into idle.
Okay.
Somehow you put it into idle,
Idle what?
where it don't run.
Right.
I think. Maybe one of these buttons you messed with. Why wouldn't the wheels turn?
Yeah, no, I don't know. I'm not sure.
It's not locked up, is it?
No. Got nothing to do with that.
Did you paint them shot?
Yeah, okay.
Huh?
See this one. Oh, maybe.
That's what I was asking.
Maybe.
If your emergency brake was on. Little bit.
Huh?
Little bit.
Engaged?
More. Little bit though.
What do you mean?
I mean just like. Little bit.
Well, it was moving, right?
Little bit. Yeah.
Okay.
Little bit. Like that.
Well, yeah, you gotta have it. You gotta have it at some RPM.
Yeah. Both of them.
Okay.
And this is turning.
Well, yeah, all right.
Yeah, they're going.
Okay.
On my side.
Okay, let's see.
He'll tell you about your side.
The buttons. Yeah.
I have to get the book and I have to write it down. Big wheel right there. Because there's certain ways you do it.
Okay, it's rear wheel only. Okay. So the minute I put, let's try that again. Oh, smart. Okay, if I got that up.
Yeah, you're going.
I don't know what we're doing. Probably just not high enough in RPM. Reverse.
Reverse now.
Huh?
Reverse. Reverse is this way, right?
What?
Is it wrong?
No, it's just in gear. So, all right. So she is running.
And all the gears are good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here's.
Okay. Because I wasn't sure what you were doing there.
I had no grind.
Screw that in.
I didn't have any grinding. I didn't have any noise in the motor telling me the valves aren't working.
You start putting it back together because you're not going to want to take it apart again.
Don't melt that. So, all right. So
but you had it in reverse.
We did have it in reverse.
But then that's what I'm saying. That last thing you had was reverse, right?
You saw it going the opposite direction.
It was going like this. It was going
backwards.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was reversed.
That's why I told you that that was reversed, though, right?
Yeah. Okay, so we're
you
there.
Had it in high
so
and low?
I had it in high. I had it low, high. I didn't run it in low, but I don't need to worry about that till we get to that point. So we're happy.
You done with it?
We're confused. Why didn't it move the first time?
I don't know, dear. It's just that way. So there you go, babe.
All right.
We're close.
But you bypassed it.
Huh?
Is it done?
Bypass what? Bypass what?
That.
No. I didn't bypass anything. It's running on that, on what it is. So
it didn't need a fuel pump after all?
It needs a fuel pump, but it's not right. It's not set to what they're telling me it is. So
it needs a fuel pump. It just needs a fuel pump because it needs a fuel pump.
Yeah.
You didn't bypass that?
No. I've just been troubleshooting from.
You didn't go there and bypass something.
No, it's hooked back up. What I did, but I don't think that has anything to do with it, is it doesn't have this on the bottom of the fuel pump.
Okay, well, I'm going to take them. I'll be back.
Okay.
Drink your hot chocolate before it's cold, honey.
Okay, babe.
Cold chocolate.
All right, I'm going to deal with this again here in a minute. It is running without a filter in the fuel tank.
What are you doing? Huh? Message your mic?
I'm going to filter. Oh, jeez.
I can take you home. You don't have to hang out.
Wow.
Ask your. I'd have you take me home instead of here. What are you doing?
Holy cow. Come on, go.
Honey, do you have a little teeny weeny tiny thin screw?
What? No, I don't. Dear, let me get the fuel pump done first, and I'll come back to whatever you're doing. Because this thing is not coming apart the way I want it to. Let go. And I don't know. What the heck? Holy cow. I don't want to break that. I'm breaking that off. Man. Well, let's see. It is the red one. No. You're not making me happy. This should have been a 5-minute job. And it is not turning into one. You should pop right the heck off. Still ain't bigger. I got the. I still ain't feeling it. Come on. Yeah. It does not come apart. Means that pump. I think that pops down and out. But I am having
something I'm looking for
issues with
that I can't find. Maybe one of these. That ain't.
That's a big one.
okay.
Trying to fill a hole in the front.
And you can see the pump just pulled right out. Unfortunately, I still have not released that freaking electric wire.
Pookie-poo. Pookie-poo.
Did they put glue on that?
You gotta be the right size because you're the wrong size.
They soldered that. They soldered that one. They solder you? No?
I might.
Okay. Getting that freaking thing. Pull that go. Should have been a 5-minute job. And it ain't.
Nothing's a 5-minute job.
No, huh?
What are you thinking?
I know.
If I pinch it. Just grab this.
No, I'm pulling this back. I'm pulling it back in because of the force I'm putting on this thing. And guess what? It broke off. What they did is they soldered this one to the freaking motor. So there was no way to release it. It's soldered at the top too. So there's no way to get it loose. So now I've got to adapt a new one.
You're supposed to just drop it.
No, there's no dropping in it. You got to freaking replace it. They
I hate it when I pay good money for
have to redo wiring on it. What might be a smarter thing to do is just go ahead and cut these